Good morning and welcome to VLOGCEMBER day 12. Okay, so finally I have lights at the top of my Christmas tree. I got some in yesterday from Amazon and we put those up, and I also wrapped some presents. Oakley is having some breakfast, protein pancakes with raspberries. I'm having a protein pancake as well, and today's my day to get things done. So I did place a pickup order, or no, I placed a delivery order from Target, so those things should arrive in the next couple of hours. I don't have a car again. I don't have a car. This is gonna be a really long week for me, but Scott's car didn't end up getting fixed this weekend, so I'm stranded. I'm stranded. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. But today I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna do so much cleaning, organizing. This is what happened again. You know, it happens. It's just like in a blink of an eye, it happens. So I'm gonna clean everything, organize, and just get ish done today. I also want to deep clean the floors. So I got another Swiffer and like the wet jet whole system. So I got that. I'll show you guys once the order comes in. But yeah, I also want to plan some more Instagram photos because I did a couple cute ones, but I want to do, well, I did like a sultry one and then a cute one. But I want to plan a couple more for like the holidays. So that's my plan for today. So first thing I'm going to do is organize the top of the fridge because I have all these snacks in these boxes and I just want to recycle the boxes and put all the snacks, if I can, in this little basket. So I'm going to take everything down and see what we have. Just to keep this like a little bit more clear on top. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour these snacks in here. Still have a couple of the PB&J Trader Joe's bars. Yeah, this. Thank you. You already had that. We're gonna pour these in there. Recycle, recycle, recycle. I have so much. I know. I have so much cardboard to like recycle. It's crazy. This is just like a little meal. You want another one of these? What about the bar that you're eating? That's what I thought. You can hold on to it if you want. No, Daddy. Okay, so we're just gonna keep these in here. This is another like little meal that he likes. No, we're not going to open this right now because you already have something in your hand that you're eating, okay? But yeah, now I've basically cleared off most of the top of the fridge. Oops, I forgot about these little jammy sammies. These are quite delicious. There we go. It's stuck. There he goes. I'm also going to take care of myself today because I need to wash my hair. Haven't washed it since I got it done, so I'm going to take a nice good shower, and deep clean my hair. I got a couple of things yesterday from Amazon, so let me quickly show you what I got. First thing, I got this from my dad. Second thing I got this Miele. I think you can find this brand at Target, but this is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Rosemary is supposed to be really good for your hair to like lengthen, grow, volume. So we're gonna give this a go because I need all that. And this is the last thing that I got, Where the Crawdads Sing. I just ordered this off of Amazon, and this is for me. I'm excited. And he grabbed my other books. This is my small bathroom counter, really tiny. But this is your sign to go into your bathroom today and clean your counter, or make a list and do it tomorrow. Because, wow, I need to do mine. I don't know about you, I need to do mine. So this is just basically clutter, a mess. We're gonna get rid of it all, put it where it belongs. I'm gonna wash my hair today with the Pureology. So I kind of just threw these in here, but I need to clean this. I need to disinfect everything. There's like little Scott beard hairs. So I'm gonna clean all this, clear it off, and have a little bit of space. Okay, so this is the after. Way better. I have to clean the mirror still, and I don't know why that siding or whatever it's called, it's like not white, so it doesn't look great. But other than that, I mean, we're clean. We're a lot more clean. Okay, so Oakley just woke up from his nap. I'm gonna be putting, I got coffee. So I'm just gonna fill it in here. More coffee. And then we're gonna do the floors. Push, pull. Push, pull. Good. Yep, push, pull. Let's get these floors all clean. You want Mama to show you? Oh, thank you. Wow. Wow. I think you're getting some crumbs, some pretzel crumbs around, but that's okay. I'm gonna make these floors all clean. Yeah. I bet this thing is looking real, whoops. I bet this thing is already looking really gross on the bottom. Let's see. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, that looks pretty gross. All right, let's keep going. We've got a lot of floor to do. Not really, but. Here, okay, here you go. Push, pull. Push and pull. Good. Okay, the floors are nice and clean. And now I'm going to refill the candy jar because I got some more chocolates today from Target. Let's refill the chocolate jar. It's not gonna be the whole thing, but we got some Hershey Kisses candy cane. So I thought those would be yummy to try. And then, these are so good, the Dove Caramel Milk Chocolate. So I got those too. I didn't really stick to the gold theme. This time, but I did get a couple yummy ones. Scott does not know about this, so he's probably gonna be upset. Because he eats them all at night. I mean, who doesn't? It's hard at night, right? To have some self-control at night, it's really hard. Okay, that's it. That's Okay, we just came back inside. I ended up washing Teddy's blanket and Teddy's bed, and then I have all that laundry. So I'm gonna put one of Teddy's beds back where it belongs, which is over here. This one still needs to be cleaned, but this one was way more dirty, so. Teddy, look! Look, right here. Your bed's all clean right here. Your bed's all nice and clean. Yay! Not amused, okay. Also, we got our HelloFresh box in. So we actually switched back to 3 meals, but it's starting next week because, yeah, the price difference, it just wasn't worth it to do 2 meals. But we got meatballs with bulgogi sauce. So we have that one. And then we have sheet pan Dijon onion crunch chicken with green beans and garlic bread. So those are the 2 that we got for this week. And Scott should be almost out of work. The sun is setting. I'm just gonna clean up a few more things, but I did get a lot done today, which I feel really good about. A lot accomplished. Okay, help Mama. We have to get Teddy's dog food. He got a package in. Teddy's so lucky. He got a package in. He got new bowls today. Watch out. He got new bowls today. He got his dog food in. And he got his beds cleaned. Well, one bed. All right. You know what we do, right? We have to empty it in here. So we gotta open it first. Teddy, this is for you, Puff. Yeah, it's for Teddy. I did wash my hair. I took a shower. I washed my hair. I'm feeling extremely pale. That's fine. I did use a serum and a moisturizer, but the serum is like the tan drops. This is for Teddy! This is Teddy's food. Come here, Ted. Come here. Look it. We get Teddy's food from Chewy. Yeah, Teddy. Okay, watch your nose. You want to try it? Fresh food. You want to give it to Teddy? Hold it out to Teddy. It's okay. Okay, we're gonna pour it into this tin, okay? We gotta pour it in so that Teddy has fresh food. This is all for Teddy. Wow, Teddy! You're excited? Oh, oh, oh! Let go. Thank you. This is Teddy's food. Thank you. All right, we gotta close it up and put it back, okay? There we go, we're all done. Teddy loves his new bowls too. What would you like, a snack again? Okay, what kind of snack would you like? You want a yogurt? Do you want a yogurt? Yeah? All right, so I can't believe what I look like today, but it's fine, right? What the heck was that noise? I can't take myself seriously. I know, it's funny. I got this candle, Reindeer Forest, from Target, and it smells really good. It smells like pine mixed with like a soapy sudsy scent, cinnamon. Soapy sudsy cinnamon with pine. That's how I would describe this. It smells really good. So I got that. I'm gonna light it tonight. What's this on you? Feels hard. Oh, jeez. All right. Also, we're gonna open up the advent calendar. Today is day 12. Let's see what's behind little box number 12. Okay, so it looks like it's a gummy. I don't know what age you give your kids gummies, but I've never given him a gummy. And I just feel like gummies are a choking hazard. Isn't everything though? This is called Peach Bum. So I haven't given it to him. Also, did you know? Did you know that when you cut up a hot dog for a baby, that you can't cut it up into coins? Like, I always thought like the smaller the pieces the better, but you can't coin it because hot dogs actually expand like this. They're like sponges, so they expand. So hot dogs are like a really big choking hazard. So you're supposed to cut a hot dog lengthwise in half and then lengthwise again. So quarter it until they're a year old. And then once they're a year old, you just cut it directly in half. I didn't know that. That's yummy. But I give you the tiniest bite. It tastes like the peach ring one, except less, like there's no sugar on it. Tiny bite. Mama likes this one. Okay, that one's good. We might be eating that one of Scott's too. Yeah, so that was day 12. I'm going to end my vlog here. It was a lot of cleaning. I don't even know if I showed that much cleaning. The TV's been on for the majority of the day. It's been very cold today. We were outside for a bit, but wow, it's icy out. And it's only supposed to get like even colder this week. It's supposed to get snow a couple times. And he's getting really heavy. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed VLOGCEMBER day 12. And we will see. Did you poop? And we will see you tomorrow.